In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your deleted Snapchat account after 30 days. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have deleted your Snapchat account and 30 days have passed, then it means that Snapchat account is now permanently deleted. So in order to recover such permanently deleted Snapchat account, you need to open your internet browser. Click on the search option and in the search bar type snapchat.com/support. Click on search. Scroll down and click on this contact us option. Now select the second option that says I cannot access my account. Then select the first option. Scroll down. Now in order to recover your deleted Snapchat account, you will be required to fill out this form. So first enter your Snapchat account username. Then enter the email address that was linked with your Snapchat account that you deleted permanently. After that, enter the mobile number that was linked with your Snapchat account. And in this final description box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to provide the details why you deleted your Snapchat account and why do you want to recover it now. Once you have done that, click on the submit option. And once you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, your deleted Snapchat account will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.